Okay, so welcome everyone, and it's an interesting day today. It's been a month now that we started the class, and really I'm so glad, first of all, that we had good participation. And for the first time, I've done several classes. And this time around, there were two women that were also part of the people that completed the project. So it's something I'm also happy about. Like most times I've noticed that there's no woman or just one woman. So I'm happy for the people about the people. I'm happy that some women got to complete. And I'm also very amazed that what you people put together in this short time. So I'll allow the people who have submitted their project to do a presentation, and then Calvin will correct or give suggestions on how it can be improved. So who wants to go first? Jemilu, do you want to go first? Okay.
Yes, ma.
Okay, go ahead then.
Good day, everyone. My name is Jamino Musa Jumri. I'm from KB State. So my project is based on a personal portfolio. It is based on.
Sorry, is it possible for you to share your screen and show us?
No, I didn't have light here, so
Okay.
I'm just
Okay.
using my phone.
Okay.
Yes, sorry for that.
No problem. Go
And now,
ahead.
okay. So my project is based on personal portfolio. Is like I'm the owner of the website, so I'm showcasing my talent there, like building website and graphic design marketing. So I'm just showcasing how people can interact with me, and then I'm showing them what I can offer to them, and many more like that. So my project is just like, if someone wants to know more about me, like I'm a web developer. If they want to know much about me, they will just go straight to the site. That is, I have three menu there, or let's say four. That is homepage, portfolio, and then contact, and then about. If you want to know about me, you just click on about. You see much details about me. If you want to see my other work like this, other things that I can offer, you will just go to portfolio. You will see there is pictures there, and then there is some a little details. If you want to contact me, you go to the contact page. You see my information there, like phone number and everything, email, and yeah, email. If you want to contact me through email, if you want to contact me physically, there is my address there. If you want to contact me through phone number, there is my phone number there. If you want to contact me direct, there is a page that at the top right hand side of the page. In the home page, you will see contact me, which if you click it, it will take you directly to the WhatsApp. It will take you directly to my WhatsApp. You will just contact me there if you need any work or anything like that. I think that is the work of my project there. Now,
Okay. So I think nice. Calvin, do you want to make comments on it?
Admin is something I can see. The description is perfect. However, Admin.
I think he posted the link on the chat. Can you post the link again? Or maybe I
Is this the website?
yeah, this is the website I'm sharing.
Yeah, this is the link.
I can
Okay, you're
post
the one sharing it, right?
yeah, I'm the one sharing it. Can you post the
Okay,
link
please.
on the chat so that he can
Kindly
see?
share your screen. I'm not with my computer now.
Okay.
Okay, let me
Can you see my screen?
screen again. I should sorry.
Sure, you can see your screen.
Okay. So this is his website and this is the homepage, this is the about. Um and this is the portfolio page and this is the contact page. So if you click hire me, I think I noticed that for all of them, their link, the link they put were not working. So that's something they have to work on. Like if I click on LinkedIn, for example, it doesn't work. So I don't know if you also have videos on your YouTube channel that you can send to them on how they can put the correct links.
Let me see. Go down to the over it. Let me see. Just put the mouse on. Okay, they didn't link the button, right?
Yeah, they didn't.
So I think Jemilu, right? Is it Jemilu that have this project?
Jamil.
Okay, I think this is something you should be able to do. If you could link the buttons, then linking the icon shouldn't be anything. Shouldn't be a challenge. Jamil, can you hear me? Oh, it's not on the call again. I wanted explaining. Okay, I think he has joined. Jamil, can you hear me? Jamil, can you hear me? Hmm. If not, can you hear me? Or am I the one speaking to
Yeah, I
myself?
can hear you. I can hear
Oh,
you.
Jamil, is it the one that just joined? Jamil,
Why is he can unmute himself, but I don't know why he's not
yeah.
talking.
Jamil, you need to unmute yourself before you speak so that we can hear you. All right. I'm not hearing him. Please, let's go to
Okay.
another person to
Okay.
review the person's work. There's no time.
Yeah. Good luck. Can you go ahead?
Okay, let me share. Um, let me share my. Okay, I need to put my video on. Okay, good evening, Mr. Kevin. Good evening, Informa.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for making me do this this very project and even submit. We are students. I want to go through what I have done. Um, this site is courtesy of Pension IO, Pension Site IO. This is okay, please. Okay, this is where I land. Okay, this is where I land when I entered into the site. And as the site admin, I will be able to have access to my dashboard. This is my dashboard, and these are my pages. Okay. I also have I'll soon go to the site, but these are my plugins. I use them. I have to support Elementor with Elementor Kit because I was working on the shop. So, and also a shop engine so that I can have some widgets which I can use. Let me go to the site and explain. Okay, this is my site, Osagood Bees, and it's all about sales of smartphones. If you want to buy any kind of smartphone, you have to come to this site. Okay, I was able to view the home. This is the home. If you click on all the buttons here, the buy now, the shop now, you can see the phone. In the last time you told me anybody that access my home page should be able to buy. So I was able to come up with that. And this is what I did. I was able to get review from you and Informa and Anna Moses. So this is the home page. On the menu, the next thing is the shop, and the shop carries all the products. The shop carries all the products. With the WooCommerce, I was able to put all these products together in the shop. Then I was able to use the Elementor to create single page products with the help of the Element Kit and Shop Engine. So I was able to create this product, about 6 products for now. I was able to do that. Then with the Elementor that you taught us, I was able to create the About page. Okay, I noticed whether it's because I have so much plugin, I don't know. I noticed sometimes it's difficult loading my image. So this is who we are page, the vision, the mission, the extraordinary experiences, our core value. Then because I'm selling, the quality policy, I have to put it. So if anybody comes to get this, then I can be contacted. This is the help of the WP form. WP form. Then, okay, like what our organizer rightly said, I've not been. I should be able to link it, but I think I omitted it. But I know once I go to Elementor, using Elementor to edit it, I should be able to get my facebook.com/osagood.
Exactly. Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
I will able to get it and bring it in. Maybe because I didn't open for Osagood Biz, I didn't want to use Osagood info. So maybe that's why. So anybody looking for me can get me through this. And this is the cart page, the checkout page. Okay, I want to go to the checkout page quickly because my teacher said I could do something there, which I did. They all came back. Okay, they are gone. I thought they came back. So I was able to use I was able to get the CSS codes that will remove the company field, the second address field, and all that. So I was able to remove it. Although I tried some of the fields, that didn't go. So I have to use customize. I went to customize. And I was able to hide some of them using the customize. I was able to hide them. I was able to hide them from. Sorry. I was able to hide some of them from here. Mm, okay. Okay. I was able to, from that end, from customize, I was able to hide some of these things. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Um.
understand.
Okay. Then, well, since I've not tested some of them, I don't want to talk about them. The wish list, my account. I know if somebody check out, you should be able to sign into my site. Somebody should be able to sign into my site. So this is what this header I was able to design from scratch because it didn't match the Astra theme I had. So I have to remove what was there and design, bring the search. This search is working. So I was able to bring this. So if you check for product, I think I'm supposed to get something. It's supposed to give me something. Yes. If I check for product, it's supposed to give me something. These are the products it's supposed to give me. So that is just it for now. From what I can say. Then I was able to use pay stack. Somebody they can pay me. If you go to if you click on any of the products, um if you click on any of the products, if you add it to cart and you check out, pay, you be able to pay to me through pay stack. I was able to link that. Um, this is what I would say for now. There is so much. There is so much. Using there was something I enjoyed in this one. When I was creating the single page, that was like this Samsung page now. When I was creating it, let me read it. I was able to, if somebody come here, good. If somebody come here, these are, you will be able to see all the lists of the products I have and can still buy from here. So I was able to do that with the element kits. So this is what I can say for now. I'm just talking. I just hope I'm able to say something that somebody could relate with. Thank you very much, Kevin. Thank you very much for now.
Okay, nice. I really like your project. I think it was well done. The only thing I noticed was like when you create a website, you have to try as much as you possible to um be sure that all your links are working. So, for example, like I signed up and I'm glad that the sign up was working. But forget password doesn't work. So
Okay, forgot password. Yeah, thank
yeah.
you.
So like for something like this, you can also ask someone to just play with my site. Like that person will be able to give a detailed we'll be able to
Feedback.
see some errors. So if
Okay.
Calvin has anything more to say, he can add.
I'll get class here.
Okay, well done, Mr. Good luck.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kelvin.
Yes, you're welcome, sir. So I think from my end, well done, well done. If I have covered everything, well done. All right, next person.
Um, Rose, do you want to present?
You want me to still share the site?
No, it's fine. I'm asking the next person wants to present now.
Yeah, I know. Sorry, I came in late.
Mm.
Did I from here or you would open it from there?
Yeah, please, you could share your screen.
I don't know if because I'm using my phone. I don't know if
Yeah, you can share your screen on your phone. Good luck. Please, can you stop sharing?
Have I not?
No.
I thought I have.
Okay,
Sorry,
okay, okay.
I
Sorry,
don't
it's
know how
your
to
video
navigate
that
this.
is on. It's fine. Rose, you can share your screen.
okay, let me see. Let me try to figure it out. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm looking for buttons. Okay, let me see. Okay, share screen. All right. Let me open my. I've shared it. Can you see it now?
Mm.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm?
We can see your screen.
It's taking long.
Are you sure it's going to load on your smartphone? Because remember we used the VPN to access our website, and our VPN was on our computer. So if you're using your smartphone, it may not work. I don't think it will work. But let's wait and see if it will.
Maybe I should share my screen for her then.
Yeah, you can share it.
Let me try again. Okay. Let me see if
Okay, so you can see it.
it work now.
Can you see what I'm sharing?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Can you see? Can you see my screen?
Are you sharing your screen?
Yes.
We can't see your screen actually. Let me
Okay.
just
Then
share it
maybe.
for my.
Okay, fine. That's okay. Rose
You,
now. No.
can you see it now?
I think it's still loading.
Okay. Up till now.
Nope.
You can see your screen.
Okay, you can see.
Yeah, I think Rose, you should like leave the call, then join again. It should work
I
when you
can,
join again. It
I
will be a
can see.
network. All
I
right.
can see.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Good evening, everybody. My name is Rose Danjuma. So I created a website. Would I say edutech, edtech? It's a website that one can sign up, especially students or parents who want to sign on behalf of their kids. Can sign up to actually. Thank you. Can sign up to actually, um, you know, get any one of our services. So from this home page, what I'm saying here is my name and of course sign up. This Next page.
Feel free to tell me where you want me to click, please.
You can start moving. You can
Okay.
move now. So this next, what would I call it now? Is just trying to let them know the plans, the various plans that we have, so they can decide on which one of the plans they would like to sign up for. So we have the starter plan, the intermediate plan, and the mega plan. Of course, the starter plan is always the cheapest, going upwards like that. So, wow, I didn't know you had double apply now on the internet, but that's fine. You can move, slide up a bit. So here we have somebody, a user or a customer. He has rendered a service to him before and he's quite impressed. So he left a review. We asked for a review so that people can see and probably get against. So you can slide up, please. Then just a bit about a little, what would I say now? About myself is a biography. Just a bit about myself, and what I do, the services I render. Yeah, you can slide up a bit. So towards the end, it's just still trying to ask them if they're interested. They should please sign up. And then we have our contact info under it. So we can move to the about page. Yes. So this is us trying to let, and I mean me, but I have other people that work with me, like I think the social media guy and customer service. So we have our mission and our vision. Of course, this is a math platform where we take classes, we offer courses like career talk. If you're confused as to what career path to follow, if you really love math, we'll let you know about it. And it's still us trying to convince you to try us and see if you'd actually be impressed or not. You can slide up, please. So we're letting you know why we started this in the first place. What makes us different from the others, or what was the motive behind all of this in the first place? That's what the why is about. And just letting you know the uniqueness. So you can slide up, please. So we still have somebody like a reviewer, somebody that has used our service and is quite impressed. So we're still trying to convince you to please apply. I think the end of the about page. Yes, so we can go to services. So we're still trying to reinforce, let you know this is what we do. We have online coaching or classes. We have career consultancy. This one also comes with the online class, but that's included, and a free ebook for signing up to the intermediate plan. And then we have the last one, which is the course developer, will help you create based on what you want, based on the career path you're trying to. For example, you're trying to be a data scientist and you really want to know math topics you're supposed to know, or statistics or whatever. So we'll just help you create a curriculum, break it down, teach you in the space of 6 months. At least you'll be able to have those concepts and still guide you on the path, like, okay, for you to be exceptional as a data scientist, these are the things you should do. And of course, we'll also give you an ebook if you need it. Some might say they don't really need it. So that's what it's about. Then we're still trying to let you know that you can chat us up if you really want us to render this to you. So we can go to the contact page. So I think this is wherever we say apply now or sign up, this is where to take the person to, because I tried to find for sign up, but I didn't know how to do it. But I just tried to change forgotten what it's called. I tried to change this because this was not what was on the templates that I used. So I tried to bring in newsletter because would love to have that option where we're able to send. We'll keep sending newsletter to people who sign up, so that they can always remember that, oh, these people exist. Oh, I remember these guys. I think I would recommend them to somebody else. That kind of a thing. That's why I included newsletter. Can you please slide up or slide down? So we have Ade. He's one of us. He's the one who will take the complaints on maybe inability to reach us after signing up, or maybe your payment, or any other questions. Actually, in case you're not convinced with whatever you see on the website, you can still contact Ade. He'll be able to help you with any one of the challenges. And please slide down. Okay, so I think that's that for that. So yes, that's our logo. I just try to create something, and then yeah, I think that's all. So our contact is below. Where you can find us on other social media platforms is down here. You can just click on it, and yes, you'll find us there. Thank you very much.
You see, the page is not available.
Yay.
Thanks for the presentation. So I think it's also the same thing. Okay, this one works. The email works.
Okay.
Oh no, it doesn't work. LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn works. No, it doesn't work. And Twitter. Okay, Twitter works. So yeah, maybe Calvin, can you comment on it first? Thank you for the presentation, by the way.
Thank you too.
All right, well done, Rosie. Rose Peters, right?
Thank you. Yes, Rose. It's Rose. It's fine.
Okay, my observation. When you're working on a brand for whose target audience are Africans, right? Ensure you use images of people that are Africans. Do you understand? Do you get?
What did you say?
I mean, if you're working on a project or a website project for people that are predominantly Africans, ensure you use African and images of people that are Africans, not Americans. What I mean is, don't use white-skinned people, right? Use African-based people. Since the people that will be coming to your website are blacks, right? So basically, you use their images. Now, this one is to also make us understand that before building a website for anybody, you need to know who are the target audience, so that you bring in images that will suit them.
Okay.
Right? Target audience. I mean, what I mean by target audience is, who are the people that will, come and visit the website.
Okay.
If they're Americans, then I know that the currency that will be used there will be in dollars, right? If they are Chinese, I know that the currency that will be used on their website will be yen. So that's how it should also be. If they are Nigerians, then their currency also should be Nigerian. Thank you very much. I think that's the feedback from me concerning this project. Well done so far.
Yeah.
I saw you made a comment that you stretched yourself this week. Can
Oh
you see
my
how
God.
can you see how you came up with something wonderful? Is this your first time of doing something like this?
Yes, it is. That's why it was so stressful, because I was making mistakes going back and forth. So I just dedicated that midnight to actually get it done. And my links were actually clicking, but I don't know why it's embarrassing me now. And also, I didn't get that white man part. I thought I changed them to black people.
Okay.
Or currency. Okay.
All right. Well done so far. So this to everyone. I know that some of us may have designed website, and then you feel as though it's not beautiful enough. I want you to understand that your first project will not always be your best project. So the more you keep practicing, the more you keep seeing improvements in one or two places. So you now have an idea of what to do in your subsequent projects, so that you will make your work look much more beautiful. I believe that everybody on the call have the reason why they they joined the training for the past few weeks, right? If your goal is to use this skill as a major source of income, then I will advise that you practice consistently. Practice consistently so that in no distant time you begin to earn from the skill, right? But if your goal is basically to work on a personal project for your brand or for your business, right, you can also practice, but basically go to YouTube and then search for, any brand that is within your niche. Search for how to build a website within that niche, and you will see a lot of videos, right? You see a lot of videos on YouTube. So just pick one and emulate what they did. Pick one, emulate what they did. Then of course you do your tweaks here and there. It's the images you pick to change. If it is the write-ups you pick to change, do your own changes and you will be fine. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much, Calvin. What I would like to talk about is, so I noticed that you use some AI generated photos. I think you should always make sure that the pictures you put are okay. Where is it? Is it in the services page? There was what page is it like? So you can see the picture. This is not so good. It doesn't look very well, so you should also check that. And secondly, so this place that is like, where does this go to? If I fill this form, is it linked to somewhere you can receive this information?
I don't think I tried, so no.
So
Right.
if you want to use this, it has to be connected to some backend, some database or whatever. So I suggest that you maybe put the link to a Google form here instead, so that when someone clicks on it, the person can just fill in the details. So in that case, you can even have different forms for contact me, for sign up, because it's easy to create a Google form, and then, or you can also learn about how to connect this to in a way that you can receive this information.
Okay.
Yeah, nice work. And also talk to Ade, but the email is showing Rosie Peters. Are you Ade? Okay. So yeah, good work then. And we are out of time. One person is supposed to, I think, Abu Nana, are you ready to share? Can you just share in 5 minutes because we are out of time? We can't, you are not talking, we are just hearing sound.
I'm trying to share. I don't know if you can see my screen.
Okay, yeah, good, we can see.
Okay. This is my page. Is about E3 Palace, where people can come and buy and eat. So this is the homepage. There's a home service and about, then contact, then order. When a person you need to order it, when you click it, it will take him to the service where you can place his order and contact the agents to send him to. Then let me move back to the home page. So this is the home page, how it is. Then where is the history? And this is a feedback from the a testimony. So these are the varieties. Then this is the home page. Then let me go to the service. So this is all which you have in the service. So these are the varieties of the food where we have. They have in the contact and the, but I have not put the email, the link to the contact in here. Then about, which is, this is the about page. So then this is the vision and their mission. And this is the about page, their history. Sorry, contact, where a person has a required or has an issue, you can contact them through. And here we have a map of the location of the site. Then the place order. So that's all about the page. Is all about. So this is all the page I came with. So thank you. That's all.
Thank you so much for your presentation. Calvin, you have something you want to say?
All right, okay, I was muted. Sorry. Thank you very much, Mama. Let's go to your footer. Abu, you're currently on your footer, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I think you should adjust that location that you have as second to the last thing. Put it beside. No. Scroll down. Put it beside. Let it be beside contact us. You understand?
This?
Yeah. The location. Like what I'm
Okay.
saying is the logo, the contact us, the location, and then the social media handles should be on the
Yes.
footer. Do you
Okay.
understand? The logo, the contact us, social media handles, and I think which other one is it? Logo, contact us,
No,
location,
they are all in the
footer.
footer here.
No, they should be horizontal. All of them should be on the horizontal
Should be okay.
position. Do you understand?
Okay. Yeah.
And then you repeated, what am I saying? I think, is that not Facebook icon I'm saying? Then you also repeated it again. I think you repeated the social media links.
This
Isn't it?
this
Yes.
link.
What are those?
No, they are icons. Social media icons.
Okay, so what I'm saying is you don't need to have social media icons here if you already listed their name under
Okay.
contacting. Do you understand?
Yes.
So instead of you even putting that contact us title, you could have just used social media handles. You should have used social media handles. Then or the other after the contact us, where you use social media handles, you can now put the next one could be contact us. Then under contact us, you have the email and the phone number.
Okay.
Do you get what I meant?
Yes.
Yeah. So let me recap. So I said that okay, the logo should be the first horizontally. Then you have
Okay.
social media handles where you list out okay the way you did Facebook, Instagram, X, and WhatsApp, right? Then you now
Okay.
have contact us. Contact us under contact us. You can put the phone and the phone number. Then for the email, you put the envelope and then you put in the email address. And finally, you can now put in that's at the left. Is it left? At the right? At the farmer's right? Will now be the location where you put in the location. Sorry, the address. The address or location. Yes. All right. So that's
Okay.
it for the footer. So scroll up a little bit. Let me see.
Okay. If I get you mean the icons and the address should be in a horizontal line, all of them, not in a vertical.
Yes, not in a vertical. The footer is usually in a
Okay.
horizontal way, right? It's on the
Okay. Thank
smartphone
you.
view. It's on the
Yeah.
smartphone view that will be arranged about
They'll
vertically.
be in a column.
Exactly, they'll be
Okay.
in a column vertically, yes.
Yeah,
But
I
when you're on
get
the
it.
desktop view, it will be on a row horizontally.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so scroll up, let's see.
Okay.
I think your website is fine now. Your website is fine. Let's go back to that shape. I can see that shape. The shape. Oh no. Scroll down, let me see something.
Okay.
Yeah, good, good. Hold on here, hold on here. You're going fast. Now look at this image, right? Can you see the image clearly? Look at the edge.
The age.
Yes, you see how you call we call it border
Yes.
radius, right? You see the border
Yeah,
radius you
radius. I
use?
use the. Yeah, it's border radius.
Good. Now go back to that last page that you were on before. The previous page
Okay,
you were
that is
on
on the
before.
service. No,
Yeah, that's
I didn't use border radius on it. I didn't use border radius on it
good. So what I
because
want
that
you
is the
to
fun. That is the feature of this design.
okay. I would advise that you maintain consistency. Do you understand
Okay. Yeah, I
in
get
your
it.
project? And so if you're using border radius somewhere, right, you should also use the border radius in other pages so that there'll be consistency, you know, in every part of your
Okay.
in every part of your
Design.
yeah,
I get.
part of it. Scroll up, let me see. Scroll up. Come to your about page, let's see. Scroll down. Scroll down. Hold on, hold on. Scroll up. You are fast. Gradually. Scroll up. Scroll up. Now look at this place you wrote established in 2009.
Yeah.
You see there's a big empty space there.
Yeah, I understand of that. It's supposed to be an
Exactly.
image in here between.
Even if you not put an image, you can
The text should
centralize
be
the
a text.
established. Even if there's no image,
Okay.
you can centralize the established in 2009 and also centralize that E3, centralize that whole paragraph there.
Okay.
Yeah, so that there'll be balance.
Yeah, I get.
Alright. So let's go to the next page.
Okay.
Contact page is the easiest page to build when you're working with a website. So let's go to the final page. I don't have any correction here. Let's go to the final page.
Okay.
Scroll. Place order. Click on place order. Let me see what happens.
Okay, so that is it will take you to service.
Oh. All right. Awesome. Well done. Over to you, Former.
Okay, thank you so much. It was a very good detailed review that you made. Let me see. Do I have a comment? I wrote down comments. No, I don't have a comment. But I think one thing I noticed was that the websites you used maybe ChatGPT to generate the content. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So and you didn't edit it. So in fact, there was this page. Was it in the services page? It has. It was so funny because it even had the prompts, the tags from ChatGPT. So if you use
The
um,
tax.
wait, let me look for it. Go to the about page. So can you see? No. Founded in year bracket by
Okay.
founder.
This.
So
Yeah.
and I noticed that most people use ChatGPT to generate content. Like if you generate content, you should try as much as possible, especially these tags, to remove them and read through to be sure that it's communicating the right thing. In fact, there was one that was saying their website. So you have to make sure
Okay.
that you edit and make it to be something that when someone reads it, it will know that it's not, the person will not think that it was generated or something like that, especially for the website. It's very important. Okay, thank
Okay.
you so much.
Yeah.
Um,
Thank you.
who is the last person? Rukayat, she said she can't present. Let me see if I can quickly share her. Rukayat. Okay, so this is Rukayat. You want to talk, Rukayat?
Okay.
Wannan ya fi kusan kuɗi.
Can you mute yourself, Abu Nana? Okay, go ahead, Rukayat.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My website is about a home service provider. We render various kinds of services, such as like gardening, repair, maintenance, and troubleshooting. And it's supposed to contain like 5 pages, but I was only able to do 4 pages. The home page that gives the introduction of the whole thing. Please scroll up. So this section is talking about what we stand for. That is, this is talking about what we stand for and our vision. And if you click on those buttons, they will take you to, yes. And they'll take you to services page. Yeah. This is our services page. I have our mission part and our core value. This part I actually edited it, but I don't know that I didn't save it. So it's still giving me the contents of the template. This part is actually, the bottom part is actually supposed to link you to booking. If you click on it, it will take you to that booking page. Click on it. Yes. Although the form is not active, the booking, I'm not completed this part. So this is supposed to be the 5th page for the booking, but I've not completed it. But the pages that are active is just the home page, the about, the contact, and the services page. Those are the pages that are active. This talk about our mission and our core values. Then the about page. Now this is the home page. Yes, about.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is our about page. It talks about our mission, our core values. Then the next what's it called? Next button is the services that talks about the various services that we render. These are the qualities that makes us unique. Then these are some of the services that we render, such as painting, gardening, pipe maintenance, and carpentry. So all these texts are still talking about why choose us, our qualities. They're still talking about our qualities.
Okay. Yeah. I think.
And the last one is the contact page. That's all.
Okay. Calvin, you want to comment? Hello, Calvin, do you want to comment? Okay. So I think I like the website because it's very simple. And the colors are consistent. But like he said, you should use people that who your target audience is. And then you need to, like in this one, you could just put a Google form. I can show you a website that I worked on, although I wasn't the one that put did this part. But so here, what is actually here is just a Google form. If you click contact us, it just links you to a Google form. So you could do something like this. I think, yeah, that's all. And I want to say well done to everyone. You people really did so well. And I'm happy about that. So remember that we said we are going to award prizes to the first and second positions. And so let me share, like everybody did well that submitted. So I'll share my screen to just show, and the certificate will be sent to you, to your email. So sharing my screen. So the second position, there were actually 2 second positions. Good luck, you came second. And there's some other person that came second as well. Ukayat came second. So well done. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. And the first position is Rose Danjuma. So well done and congratulations. So all these are just awards to like motivate you and keep you going. So for some people did not complete all the tests. Maybe that's why the marks were a bit low. And yeah, so the prizes will be you'll be communicated with, and then you'll be giving your prizes. And for everybody that submitted the project and the reports, they would have their certificates given to them. So I would say work more on yourself and do better. And if there's any way I can help you, you can always reach out to me and I'll see if I can help. Calvin, do you have any final words?
All right. Thank you very much for the updates. From my end, there's something I mentioned. I said that we all here have our individual goal for the very reason why we joined the training, isn't it? And for some of us that, I repeat again for those who were not here when I was saying it, for some of us whose goal is to, improve our income using web design, I want you to be intentional about posting content, creating content on Facebook, on Instagram and Twitter or LinkedIn, sharing, valuable content in line with web design. What do I mean by that? You could decide to talk about how you built a website for the first time, right? You could decide to talk about how you edited your homepage, in a text format, write it there. Maybe take a picture of your computer, you working. Doing this consistently can enable you to, attract clients to yourself. I spoke more on this on the day we spoke about strategies to attract clients, or I mean how to position yourself to attract clients. So if you haven't listened to that recording, ensure you do so. Now, for some of us, that our goal is to learn it and build websites for our business or for our brand. Like I said, if you go over YouTube, you're going to see many tutorials on quite a number of niches, and I'm sure your own niche will be there. And even if your niche is not there, basically check for any niche and redesign it to suit your own niche or to suit your own type of brand or business. And get your website to look much more beautiful. Like I said, there's always a first time. Your first project will not be your best project, right? What this means is if you keep improving your skill sets, if you keep improving yourself, the more better you will become. Good. Then one more thing, it just disappeared from my mind now. I wanted saying something else which I cannot remember. Yes, I remember now. So there is this website I used to get websites inspiration from. The name of the website is teamforest.net. So maybe before you're working on any project, you can go over to Team Forest. I think it's Team Forest. Yes, teamforest.net. Then you see a search bar there. You see a search. Yes, teamforest.net. You see a search bar there that will enable you to search for the name of the project you are working on. Let me write it. No, not that. Thank you, Nanchan, but that's not the spelling. Teamforest.net. Teamforest.net. Yeah. So you're going to see a search bar that will enable you to search for, a kind of website you are looking for that is within your niche, maybe outside your niche. So when you search, you will see different website ideas. Like you see a lot of them. And make sure you use a computer to do so that you will, see the view in a desktop mode. Do you get? Yeah, thank you very much, and I look forward to you implementing everything that you have learned. Good luck. Bye.
Thank you very much, my teacher.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So,
So when you said good luck responded. So it's good to have a good name.
Thank you very much.
good luck.
I want to be the best student too.
Yeah. So
We are the best. We are all best.
yeah, I also need to introduce Barrister Nanchang. He's also part of the IKEIF team. He's our legal person, and he does the legal work at IKEIF. So thank you also for your contributions towards making this a success. Do you have anything to say? In 1 minute, we are out of time.
I think you have said it all. I wish everybody the best in his various endeavors.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. So after now, you would know the website is on pantheon.io. You have to deploy it, and in one of the videos, Calvin actually explained how this can be done. I think, or maybe it was another video of his that I watched, but I think he has a video on how you could actually do this. So if you're interested in putting it online for other people to view it, Calvin, please, if you can, you could also drop the link to that video of yours on how they can put it online.
All right. Let me give a brief explanation for how that can be done. Now, there's this plugin called, please pay attention, there's this plugin called Updraft Plus. It's a plugin on when you go to the plugin section of the website, you search for Updraft Plus. Updraft Plus is UPDRAFT. Then plus you space, you give a space like by pressing your space bar, then write PLUS. Now you install that plugin. When you install the plugin, you're going to activate it. Now, when you activate it, you are going to go back to the list of plugins that are on your computer in the plugin section. Then go to the settings of the Updraft Plus plugin. Then, now, this is happening when you are in your Pantheon.io version of your website. Now, when you go to the settings of your Updraft Plus, you are going to see a place to back up your website. So what Updraft Plus is used for is used for backing up a site and restoring the site. Now, when you go to the settings section for the Updraft Plus, you are going to back up your website. Now, you are backing up the website to your Google Drive. Am I communicating? You are backing up your website to your Google Drive, right? Because your Google Drive is connected to, I believe your Google Drive will be connected to the browser that you are using. Now, when this is done, you're going to see that it will successfully back up your work. Now, for some of us that would like to now restore this backup on the domain name and the web hosting that we have buy or that we've bought, when you go over to maybe Q servers or Namecheap to buy a domain name and a web hosting service, after you make the purchase, they are going to email you access to the website. They're going to give you access to the cPanel or the control panel of the website. For example, let's say Goodluck wants to get a website called goodluck.com. Like I explained earlier, the first thing you need to do is to go to your web hosting company, maybe Q servers, Namecheap, or any one of his choice. Then make a request to purchase that domain name called www.goodluck.com. Now, after he purchases the domain name and the web hosting, he's going to receive an email that contains access to the cPanel of that website, which is goodluck.com. He logs into the cPanel, install WordPress on that cPanel. After he install WordPress on that cPanel, he's going to now log into the WordPress of goodluck.com. Are we together? He's going to log into the WordPress backend of goodluck.com through the cPanel. Now, when this is done, he goes over to the plugin section and install Updraft Plus plugin. Now, when you install Updraft Plus plugin, you are now going to sign in to that Gmail where you backed up your previous website that was on Pantheon.io. So the way it works is, Gmail is connected to Google Drive. So initially it was backed up on your Gmail through Google Drive, or let's say it was backed up on Google Drive through your Gmail. So when you are on the new site where you want to restore the one you backed up from Pantheon.io, you're going to see a button there for you to restore using the Updraft Plus plugin I told you about. Now you are now currently on the new website, right? That you want to import the site that was on Pantheon.io. So you go over to the settings and you click on restore, and it's going to ask you, that's a plugin that is going to ask you to sign in to your existing Gmail that contains the backup of the website you built on Pantheon.io. Once you sign into it and the restoration process begins, give it a while, give it a moment, and then the backup of the Pantheon.io site will now come into the new website, which is www.goodluck.com. As easy as that. Now, if you are confused on this explanation I give, I'm going to drop a video on how this is done, a YouTube video. But please ensure you listen to what I said again and again so that you will get the procedure. All you are just doing is you are backing up the website from Pantheon.io, through your Google Drive, then coming into the new site that has your official domain name, in this context, goodluck.com, and you're now restoring the backup into it. So the plugin will do the technical work of arranging or storing all the content of the previous website, and then it's going to do the technical work of restoring it back to the new website. I hope this was helpful. So expect the video from me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll be expecting the video. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So it's been a nice ride for the last few weeks. I wish you all the best and have a lovely night. Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Thank you, IKEIF team.
Good night.
Good night, everyone.
Good
Bye.
night. Good night.